The Pilatus PC-21 is a single-turboprop, low-wing swept monoplane advanced trainer with a step tandem cockpit manufactured by Pilatus Aircraft of Switzerland. Development: in November 1997, Pilatus flew a modified PC-7 MKII in order to test improvements for a next-generation turboprop trainer. As a result of these tests, Pilatus funded the development of a new training system in November 1998. Development of the PC-21 started in January 1999. Rollout of the PC-21 prototype was on April 30, 2002 at Pilatus factory in Stans, Switzerland, with the first flight taking place on July 1 of the same year. The second PC-21 prototype flew on June 7, 2004. One of the prototypes, HBHZB, crashed on January 13, 2005, in Bourg, Switzerland on an aerobatic training flight, killing the pilot and injuring another person on the ground. The other prototypes, HBHZA, HBHZC and HBHZD, are still flying. Design: the PC-21 is a completely new aircraft design. The aircraft features a tandem seating arrangement in a bird strike-resistant glass canopy with all-round vision, glass cockpit with 3 large color liquid crystal displays, head-up displays, hands-on throttle and stick controls and 0-0 ejection seats for student and instructor. Operational history: 6 PC-21 have been delivered to the Swiss Air Force, the first 4 being delivered in April 2008. In December 2010, the Swiss Air Force ordered another 2. On January 21, 2008, the first PC-21 for the Republic of Singapore Air Force completed its flight test prior to being accepted into service. On July 13, 2008, the type began to provide the RSAF with basic flying training. A further 6 aircraft have now been delivered, with the remaining 7 expected to be delivered in August 2008. During the 2009 Dubai Air Show, UAE announced an order of 25 PC-21 for the United Arab Emirates Air Force to replace their aging fleet of Pilatus PC-7s. UAE's first PC-21 made its maiden on November 22, 2010. Delivery is expected to commence from first quarter of 2011. The PC-21 has been offered to the Royal Australian Air Force as part of Project AIR 5428 to replace its Pilatus PC-9s. Moreover, the PC-21 has been evaluated by the Spanish Air Force, along the T-6 Texan II and the PZL-130 Orlik III, as a possible substitute for its ENA T-35 Pilon and CASAC-101 Aviojet trainer aircraft. Operators: AIR Switzerland. Swiss Air Force operates 8 PC-21s for advanced training, replacing the Bauer Hawk which had been retired since 2003. United Arab Emirates Air Force, operates 25 PC-21s for advanced training, first flight made on November 22, 2010. Saudi Arabia, Royal Saudi Air Force, 55 PC-21 on order, ordered May 2012, first delivery scheduled for 2014. Qatar Emiri Air Force, 24 PC-21 on order, ordered July 2012. First delivery scheduled for 2014. Specifications. Data from Pilatus Aircraft: general characteristics, crew, 2, length, 11.233 meters, wingspan, 9.108 m, height, 3.749 m, wing area, 15.221 mass squared, empty weight, 2,270 kilograms, max takeoff weight, 3,100 kilograms/4,250 kilograms/9,370 pounds, power plant, 1 Pratt & Whitney Canada .6A68B turboprop engine, 1,200 kilowatts, performance, maximum speed, 685 km per hour, stall speed, 170 km per hour, gear and flaps up, range, 1,333 km, service ceiling, 11,580 m, rate of climb, 1,219 meters per minute, wing loading, 208 kilograms mass squared, power mass, 0.39 kilowatts per kilogram, armament, hardpoints, Provisions provided for fora, underwing and runner, centerline external store stations, capable of mounting up to 1,150 kg of payload of air-to-ground weapons to operate in the counter-insurgency role. See also, related development, Pilatus PC-7, Pilatus PC-9, aircraft of comparable role, configuration and era, Beechcraft T6 Texan II, Embraer AM314 Super Tucano, Kai KT-1, TAI Ha-1 Quarter KUAY, references, notes. Bibliography. External links, http, www.pilatus-aircraft.com, http, www.airforcetechnology.com PC-21, Republic of Singapore Air Force Fact Sheet, Pilatus PC-21, Cyber Pioneer, Singapore Armed Forces web publication on Pilatus PC-21.